You will love the features of this 2017 BMW X5. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Meet any challenge on the road or off it in the X5, the safe, connected, driver-centered sports activity vehicle that puts you in command. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, power liftgate, wood grain interior trim, keyless start, power passenger seat, heated mirrors. Spacious and refined on the inside. Don't mess with me on the outside. Be bold. Drive the X5.